Potatoes stuffed with meat and eggs. First, I prepare 4 large potatoes, wash them thoroughly, and place them in a pot. I add 1 tablespoon of salt and pour in enough water to cover the potatoes completely and boil them for about 15 minutes until the potatoes are slightly tender but still hold their shape. While waiting, I crack 1 egg into a bowl. Next, place 200 grams of ground meat in a large bowl, add ½ teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, ½ teaspoon of black pepper to enhance the flavor. Then use a fork to mix all the ingredients thoroughly. Then, wash the parsley, chop it finely, and add it to the bowl of meat. Then use a fork to mix all the ingredients thoroughly until well combined. Mixing thoroughly will help the filling become softer, more aromatic, and richer in flavor during cooking. After boiling, remove the potatoes from the pot and let them cool slightly to make handling easier and avoid burns. Once the potatoes have cooled enough, place each potato on a cutting board. Use a knife to make a vertical slit along the surface of the potato. Then make another slit to form a V shape in the center of the potato. Potatoes are a very healthy food as they are rich in fiber, vitamin C, B vitamins, and minerals such as potassium, magnesium, and phosphorus. These nutrients help boost the immune system, support digestion, promote heart health, and provide energy for the body. Therefore, potatoes are not only delicious, but also a nutritious ingredient in many family meals. Next, place the hollowed-out potatoes on a plate. Next, take the prepared meat filling and use a spoon to scoop a spoonful of meat into the groove you just created on each potato. Place about 1 spoonful of meat filling on each potato and gently spread it so the meat fits snugly within the groove. Repeat this process for all 4 potatoes, ensuring each one has an even layer of meat filling on the surface. Place a skillet on the stove, add a little olive oil and 20 grams of butter. Once the butter has melted and begins to release its aroma, add 1 finely chopped onion and sauté over medium heat. It's great to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Stirring constantly until the onion becomes translucent and fragrant. Next, I sliced some button mushrooms. Button mushrooms are nutrient-dense, low-calorie foods packed with antioxidants like ergothioneine and selenium, which reduce oxidative stress and combat aging. They support immune function, heart health, and digestion, while offering a natural source of vitamin D. Add 100 grams of finely chopped button mushrooms to the pan. Stir well and sauté for a few minutes until the mushrooms are tender and release their characteristic aroma. Once the mushrooms are tender, add 50 grams of spinach to the pan. Season with a pinch of salt and black pepper to taste. Finally, add 2 cloves of minced garlic. Stir quickly for about 30 seconds to 1 minute until the garlic becomes fragrant, then turn off the heat. This step enhances the flavor and makes the vegetable and mushroom filling more appealing. Once the vegetable and mushroom filling is ready, use a spoon to scoop the filling and place it on top of the beef stuffing in each potato. Gently spread it out so the filling covers the surface evenly. Repeat this process for all 4 potatoes, ensuring each one has a layer of delicious vegetable and mushroom filling on top. Next, I prepared the baking tray, arranging the 4 stuffed potatoes on it, placing them neatly and slightly apart from each other. Next, place the tray of stuffed potatoes in the air fryer and cook for about 30 minutes until the potatoes are tender and the filling on top gives off a tempting aroma. After 30 minutes of baking, remove the tray from the air fryer. Sprinkle cheese over each potato. It's great to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Then return the tray to the air fryer and bake for another 10 minutes until the cheese has completely melted and the surface is lightly golden, releasing a rich, aromatic scent. While waiting for the potatoes to finish baking, you can prepare a side salad. Dice 1 red tomato, 1 cucumber, and 3 lettuce leaves, then place everything in a large bowl. Salad is rich in vitamin K, vitamin A, and folate, which support digestive health, promote heart health, and provide plenty of fiber. Cucumbers are high in water and fiber, helping to cool the body, aid digestion, and keep the body properly hydrated. They are also great for the skin and help detoxify the body. Tomatoes are rich in vitamin C, vitamin A, and antioxidants like lycopene. Eating tomatoes helps boost the immune system, supports heart health, and promotes healthy skin. When you combine lettuce, cucumbers, and tomatoes in a salad, you'll have a fresh, low-calorie, vitamin-rich dish that's excellent for your health. Next, add half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoon of black pepper, the juice of half a lemon, and a dash of mayonnaise. Once the potatoes are done baking, remove the tray from the air fryer. Then, arrange the potatoes stuffed with meat and cheese on a plate while still hot, and serve with the fresh salad prepared earlier. What do you think of this dish? Please share your thoughts in the comment section. If you like this recipe, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to the channel, and share the video to support me. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.